So today, we're going to show you how to DIY video from clothes. Old clothes. Right, the first thing is tote bag. And the second one is a plushie. And the third one is a needle place holder. So, let's start the tutorial!
Fold the shirt half and make sure it's all wind up. Secondly, cut along the inside of the sleeves. Next, we're going to cut out the neck. From there, you can already see your tote bag taking shapes. Make sure the bottom are even and smooth, and begin cutting strips about 2 or 3 inches. Once the fringe complete, now we're going to tie them 3 times. Make sure that they are nice and tight. Lastly, just turn our bag inside out. Ta-da! Your tote bag is done!
So the next item we're going to be making is a plushie. We're going to need an animal template, a pair of paper scissors, some pillow stuffings, some thread, a cloth scissor, and an old t-shirt with some buttons on it. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to cut the animal template according to the lines that you have made. You have to make sure that you cut it according to the shape that you have drawn on the paper. After you're done cutting the template, take the old t-shirt and lay it out in front of you. You have to make sure that the t-shirt is flat because you want to cut it later on. Next, put the template on the t-shirt flatly. Then, while holding the template onto the t-shirt, make an outline of the shape onto the t-shirt, using a colored pencil as a marker. When you're done, you should cut the old t-shirt according to the shape that you have drawn on it, using a cloth scissor. Next, take the cut template from the old t-shirt to sew it together. You can use a few pins to help them attach together while you are sewing them together. The next step is to sew them together using the thread and needle that you have. You shouldn't sew them together completely because you need to have an opening to put the pillow stuffing. So you should only sew them halfway. After you're done with that, turn it inside out. Next, you take the pillow stuffing that you have and you stuff it. After you're done stuffing it, you should continue sewing it back up completely. Take a scissor and cut the excess thread. Now, your plushie is almost done. What it needs is a face. Take 2 buttons of the same color and sew onto it, making it its eyes. It's important to properly secure the button so that the button doesn't fall off. Next, you take another button of different color and sew it onto the middle, making it its nose. After you're done, there you have it, your own DIY plushie.
For our next item, needle holder, we need a used shirt, a circle outline, a scissor, and sewing appliance. Using the circle template, cut off a shape of circle from the cloth. Make sure the circle shape that you have cut off have two sides so we can sew it. Sew it neatly and properly so the pillow stuffing that we are going to stuff later will not come out. Make sure to not sew the whole circle and leave out a part so you can leave out a space so you can stuff the pillow stuffing later. Stuff the pillow stuffing at the space that you have left out properly so it will not spill out later. After you have finished stuffing it, make sure you don't forget to sew it back as neat as you can. And ta-da! Your needle holder is done!
So, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye bye!